How to fix Instagram. The username that you entered does not appear or belong to an account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, open up your Instagram application. Tap onto login and you will see this interface. First of all, you have to make sure that you are typing your username correctly. If it's still creating you a problem, then make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store. Here type in Instagram. In case you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. In here, simply type in Instagram. And at the section, scroll below, then tap on storage. Clear the cache here, come back onto app info page, then tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do so, restart your device and then open up your Instagram. Try again and this shall definitely fix your problem. So guys, that is all for today and thank you for watching.